We arrive at the company 5 o'clock.
My name is Gabriel Banda. I'm distributing here at HOMEMAKERS Fair.
My name is Thabo Benjamin Totola. I'm working at HOMEMAKERS. I'm distributing a books of HOMEMAKERS, house to house.
I'm distributing homemakers fair all over Gauteng.
Yeah, I enjoy my team. We all together. Yeah, they're like my friends now, my brothers, because we've got a long time been together. Yeah, I enjoy it because I've got a long time been working this job. Only 31 years. We are putting them in the big hole in a post box. If it doesn't have a big hole, we put them in the original post box mount. Then if there's no post boxes at all, we wrap it with a rubber band and put it near the gate.
From other people, they like us because we make an exercise. Because every day we walk every day. It's better when we put them to the mailbox. They can see, oh, this is my magazine. They check it and go inside. It's better when we deliver.
I'm enjoying very well. It's my work. When I wake up, I'm tell myself I'm going to come and work and distributing HOMEMAKERS books.